Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome to another edition of Faith Friday. It's me, your girl, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm excited to just jump in. Remember, if you enjoyed the video, 3 things for me: like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this week I'm going to keep it simple. I think pretty simple. So I've gone in and I've already laid my washi tape, and this is Simply Gilded. This is some of the bind washi in coral. The sticker book that I'm using this week is the original Posh Bloom sticker book. It's the white one. And that's where I pulled the stickers from. And then, of course, colorful boxes. So here's what we have kind of planned out. Now, I can tell you that I am really enjoying my faith planner. Or even not enjoy, I enjoy my faith planner every week. But in terms of filming a video, I'm enjoying it more. And I think that is because I already have everything already planned out. And the video doesn't seem, because at one point it seemed so long. But since I have been pulling my stickers and kind of laying them out where I want them to be, it hasn't been bad at all. And I think I cut this a little bit too short. Let's see. It's all right. I just didn't want that to hang over. I didn't want it to hang over. I just want to take that whole side off. All right, let's see. So I have that there, and I'm really trying to use all of these floral sticker books because I feel like I'm getting so many floral sticker books, and there's some more coming out. So Live Love Posh had a summer sticker book come out on Friday, this past Friday. And of course I ordered a sticker book because I really enjoy using these florals in my faith planner. And now that I've started to incorporate colorful boxes as well, it's just wonderful. Okay, so I'm going to lay this here because I just wanted to, and it's crooked, to layer it kind of over there. And what I've been doing is like taking different points that I wanted to remember. So this week, the Bible reading, and that's what I use this for our congregation Bible reading, is Deuteronomy chapters 3 and 4. And we will be discussing, how God's laws are wise and just. So good topic. And then also we're going to learn about the fact that when we follow and obey God's laws, we are showing wisdom in doing that and understanding. And then, of course, God his laws are wise. Even to the basic things like being a good friend, what that looks like, or seasoning your words with salt, being gracious in your comments and when you're talking to people and dealing with people, like things like that. So very practical wisdom we gain from the Bible. So I definitely look forward to this study this week. All right, so I'm gonna just kind of highlight our colorful boxes here. Just by laying them up like this. And then let's see, this right here, I just wanted to not do too much. Oh, I did tear it for sure. I did tear it, but I just wanted to alternate on the sides. I cut these stickers in half, and I like putting the sticker on the seam like this and matching the 2 sides. I really enjoy doing that. Okay. And then see, we have that sticker there. So I could do that. And then on this bottom corner, I'm going to match something similar, but I'm going to turn the floral a different way than I have the other one turned. And I'm thinking I can even, what I cut off here, I mean, we don't have to let any of our stickers go to waste. So let me pull this up if I can get it up without tearing it, and kind of laying it also. Let me move the undo in the corner, but I want to turn it so that we get more of the green there, because I'm going to be adding this green colorful box over this one. So, all right, so I'm going to trim off this portion like we just did on the other side. Oh, guys, I know that is so crooked. I feel it. Okay, let's see. Oh, oof, oof, oof. Bring this up. And if I can't get it up, then I'm gonna have to undo it off. So I hope it just comes off. Okay, here it is. It's coming. Just was wanting to give me a little rough time. Yeah, and it's a little crooked, but I don't mind. And then we can take this and just put it up here. Kind of like on the other side, we have that, that right there. Okay. Let me cut this bottom off a little bit. It's not much, just this part and this part on the bottom. And let me grab my tweezer to help me this time, and hopefully I won't struggle because I have tweezers. I don't know if that helped me or not, because I feel like I ripped that sticker up or ripped my planner up. I don't know which one. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone because I think I'm going to actually rip my planner. It's kind of weird. Okay. All right. All right. And I think that I have this little bit of piece of floral. It just looks funny right there on the end, but I think that's because this goes there. So if I could pick this up a little bit, I can add this back under there so it doesn't look strange. Okay. All right. So I think that that is cute and it's perfect. I have plenty of room to write. So that's part one of my spread. The second part is my daily Bible writing. And I actually put those stickers on this side, and I've gone in already. And I've also laid down my washi tape, which matches the other ones, of course, because I typically match those two spreads. Let me just make sure we are in frame. Oh, I did forget. On this side, I did want to grab these stickers that came from the Joann's Mega Sticker Book, and I wanted to make sure that I put a little bit of some bullet points, a few throughout the spread to kind of pull everything together for us. So I'm going to do that green color, and I'm going to do the little blush, the blushy color. So I think that'll look nice, especially places like this where we don't have anything going on in those boxes. We can certainly just do two of them here and they can match. So to me, that closes things off. And all right, here, down here, I think I want to do the green there too, because I don't think that the little peach color will make it pop like the green would. And then up top, I'm going to add a peach color to it up here, and a green up top. Okay. I think that's cute. All right, so let's go back to here. And for this one, I'm kind of doing that same thing where I'm putting the floral on the seam of the page. So even though it does cut into like my writing space a bit, I still think it's okay for me to, you know, place, oops, I just tore my sticker, my floral here. Now I wasn't putting a lot of florals down on this side this week, and I'm gonna have to probably put a box or something there. But definitely we're gonna come up here and add this floral right kind of here. And I wanted to bring in some of that peachy color right here. And then down for the bottom, kind of the same thing. So this is definitely less decorative than I've done week over week, but I like it. So I thought it would be cute to put this here. And we have a quote, but I'm gonna have to cut it up because it definitely does not, it doesn't fit. It says bloom with grace, and I want to use it. So I'm gonna cut off the bloom first. So let's see how it turns out. I think it'll be okay if I do like bloom here and then cut out the width. And the grace will go a little bit into our spread because it's kind of long, but I think that still it'll be fine. I probably can try to trim it off a little bit to trim off some of the white. If I can make it just a little bit shorter, I think that could help us. Not sure. Ooh. Okay, and let's cut off some of this. What this grace was. All right. It's still very long and it does go over here, but I still like it and I want to put it there. So that is going to be our sidebar. So this is fine for me for the week. Let me trim off where the sticker's hanging over. Okay. I think that's pretty. And what I want to do is come with these bullet points, and this is where I'll write the scripture of the day, where I have the little bullet points. So we will just alternate the colors. I think this is so pretty. Let's see. Yes. Alrighty. Let's see. All right. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. And last one is green. All right. So I think that definitely makes it not look as simple, of course. And then this week we have a special visitor. So there will be more, you know, I take my notes. I want to wipe that out. Make sure I did it on both sides. I just didn't do it. I just don't want this. I'm going to put like a larger floral up there, but I don't want it to show through the black. So that's fine. And what we're going to do is try to take the bigger stickers. And we have a couple. I have multiples of these to add through here. All right. I think that's gorgeous. And then we're gonna nip that off, the part that's hanging over. Okay. Let's see. Yes. Okay, that's cute. And let's see if I can do the same one for the other side. I think I can. I think it should be. Yes. All right, so this, we're gonna do the same thing. Okay. And then we're gonna just come across with our scissors. Look at that. So pretty. And now we have the ones on the back, which I definitely want to cover those up as well. And we will have to probably like center them like that. But it does cut off and cover what we need to be cut off and covered. Okay. That's beautiful. All right. What do we have? And we need one more on this side. I think this is the one. I don't remember which one it is, but I think these two look pretty much alike. And so we will do the same thing for this one, except we're not going to take it off of the page. So the only thing I have left for both of these are, well, this little one right here. So I think the main page, I can probably use it. Yep, just cut a little bit off and put it there. And let's see what we have to put on the bottoms of the other pages. Yep. And we can come this way with this one. And then let's see what we can do on these. I don't have very much to do on these pages because like this is all that's left here for that one. Okay. And this one will not have one. Maybe I'll put this Bloom with Grace on this, on the bottom of the other one so I can use everything. Yeah. And that other one, I'm gonna fix that one too. Okay. Bloom with Grace. Okay. All right. Let's see. And maybe we can just put that one right there. Okay. Oops. Got a little piece hanging over. All right. So we are all set for our spiritual routine this week. So starting with this for daily Bible reading. These are to take notes during our conversations with or teaching from our guest speaker. And then here is for my digging for spiritual gems or our congregation Bible study. Okay, well, that completes this plan with me for the week, and I hope you enjoyed it. If so, let me know what your favorite part was, and don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.